continuing refactoring my animation compositing script in Python. I forgot how to open multiple, was it P? Script lib, or Python lib, composite scripts, Python generate. Yep. So on line 7 is a variable start time. It's used only really to compare where we are relative to the start, which I don't really like. The generate layers.py file on line 27, we have a function log image progress. And this is really where we want to consider what time we're thinking about. So I'm actually going to move what we're doing on line 7 there. So start time. This is still not necessarily perfect, but it's a better location for it, because if we want to use the composite images script somewhere else, this function somewhere else, we're not assuming that the time that we care about is when this is loaded into the module. So we could use start time. I'm gonna search for that. On line 29 and 31. I lost my train of thought, so if you're curious about where that was going, sorry. df plus. Okay, so I'm just going to move that into the actual logging script. And call this difference. Log time difference. Cool. And then add that to. It's kind of hard to talk and code at the same time for me still. I want to get better at that. So we're adding that string to whatever item we're logging. And I think originally I had, let's check that out so I don't say the wrong thing. Yep, semicolon or a colon to separate that. Cool. And actually, what was I doing with the thing that I actually print? So item print also calculates the time difference. Is there anything different about these two lines? Image paths index replace. No, there is not. Was there anything different about that before? Why did I have that line duplicated? Round. So I don't know why I made that. I think that I was just copying and pasting. There might have been something that was functionally different before, but I got rid of it and just left the code messy. Actually, I don't need this variable anymore. So the logger is going to be the thing that prints the code. So I'm going to extract this as a variable. How do I... Cool. And then I'm going to print this. Here. So if I ever don't want to print while I'm logging, it'll be easy for me to comment this line out. And I don't need to make the assumption that composite images doesn't say anything if it's not supposed to. Is that all I want to do now? Let's see. Do I have start time in here anymore? Nope. So what are we logging? We're logging the image path and we're replacing the current working directory. So ideally this would log only the relative path per image. But this isn't perfect because this assumes that the images are in the same directory that we're running the script from. That's a relatively safe assumption because I'm the person who made the script and I know how I'm going to use it. I'm going to count that as good for now. The name start time isn't perfect. Script start seconds. Script start time. Maybe you want to call it time script start. That's good for now.